beautiful person watching this video. My name is Asia. If you didn't know, now you know, so let's get into the video. Welcome to my channel if you are new, and if you are not, then welcome back. My name is Asia, and on this channel I post beauty and lifestyle content amongst loads of other things, from YouTube tips to Netflix suggestions. You can find it all on my channel, so please go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Turn on post notifications while you're down there, and don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up because it helps me out so much. Before we get started with today's video, you already know I have to go ahead and do my shout outs. If you would like to know how to get a shout out, be sure to check out my description box down below. I have all the information for it there. So I'm really excited about today's video, and I'm going to tell you guys why, because I have received my first YouTube paycheck. This is not the actual check, even though this is what everybody shows in the thumbnails. This is actually, well, I'm gonna tell you guys what this is. But anyway, so yes, I have received my first YouTube paycheck. So that is what today's video is going to be about. I'm gonna be talking to you guys about my first YouTube paycheck, how to make money on YouTube, how to get monetized, everything like that. If you're interested in anything that I just said, stick around to the end of this video. I'm back, y'all. I've taken like a 2-hour break. You're probably already familiar with the YouTube requirements, but I'm going to tell you them anyway. So the requirements is 1,000 subscribers, which is accumulated over the lifetime of your channel, and you need 4,000 watch hours, which is 240,000 watch minutes in the last 12 months. So you can use the YouTube tracker app. It's called YT Tracker. It's available on iOS devices, and if you don't have an iPhone, you can view your watch hours in the YouTube studio on your actual computer. So once you've reached the threshold, you then make your Google AdSense account. YouTube isn't what pays you. That's a common misconception, is that you get paid from YouTube, but you really don't. You actually get paid from Google AdSense, and you make money by putting ads in your videos. If you're under 18, a parent or guardian has to set up your Google AdSense account for you, and also input information like tax information, mailing address, and other info that I will talk about later in the video. So once you reach the YouTube requirements, you can go to Google AdSense immediately and go ahead and make an account, or you can go to the YouTube studio and click on the $sign that stands for monetization. It will literally take you through the step-by-step process of applying to the YouTube Partner Program. After you make your AdSense account, YouTube has to review your channel first. Make sure that you're meeting the guidelines, the YouTube community guidelines, and approve you into the YouTube Partner Program. And you'll get an email saying that you've either been denied or accepted into the YouTube Partner Program. Reasons that you can get denied are buying subscribers, buying views, and doing sub for sub on the YouTube platform, especially if you're one of those people that spam sub for sub, or if you're one of those people that reply to every comment and put sub for sub underneath it. When people report your comment for spam, when YouTube goes to review your channel, when it's time to come down to monetization, YouTube can see all of those reported comments, and sub for sub is against the YouTube guidelines. So don't do sub for sub on the YouTube platform. I wouldn't recommend doing sub for sub. I know I talked about sub for sub in my how to get your first 100 subscribers video, but I really do take back what I said. Some of y'all using sub for sub to get to 5,000 subscribers, to get to 1,000 subscribers, and you're wondering why you have no views on your channel. You're wondering why you get no engagement on your channel. You're wondering why it's so hard for you to get 4,000 watch hours on your channel, because sub for sub is not the way to go. I did it when I was going from 300 to 400, and I stopped. In that video, I was suggesting you do it to go from 0 to 100 and then stop, and I think I mentioned that in the video. But anyway, we're also posting other people's content. So if you like download somebody else's video and you post it up on your channel as though it's your video, you can get denied from the YouTube Partner Program by trying to do that, because you're trying to monetize off of somebody else's video, and it don't work like that. So for me, it took YouTube 3 days to review my channel, and I got accepted into the YouTube Partner Program on April 21st, and I started putting ads on my videos the same day. So you have to reach a $100 threshold in order to get paid each month. After reaching that first $100 threshold, that is when you're able to input your direct deposit information or your payment information into Google AdSense. I personally was under the impression that you do this first. In other videos that I've watched, they're like, oh well, you verify your address, you verify your payment information, all of this stuff, and I thought you did that after you got reviewed, but no, you have to reach the $100 threshold first. So after you get $10 worth of ad revenue, then you will get like a notification. I think I got an email, or it was just like in my Google AdSense, where it told me that I needed to verify my mailing address. So basically, like once you make the Google AdSense account, you will put your address in there. Google AdSense will send you this piece of paper in the mail, and basically this little slip of paper it'll have like a PIN number on here, and then you're just going to input this PIN number into Google AdSense, and that's how you verify your address. So after you verify your address, once you reach the $100 threshold, then you will input your direct deposit information. So once you input this information into Google AdSense, they have to verify that this is your account. So there are two ways that you can verify. Google AdSense will deposit up to $1 into your account. So say they deposit 35 cents into your account. Once you see that 35 cents has been deposited into your account from Google AdSense, then you will input 35 cents into Google AdSense, and that way like they know that this is your actual account. This process on my Google AdSense thing, it said that it took 3 to 5 days, and I was like, ooh, 3 to 5 days. I'm not trying to wait. So there's another thing that you can do to get instant verification. So basically you sign into your bank account through Google AdSense. So that's what I did, and it instantly verified my account. But yeah, I'm just impatient. Hashtag Aries Nation.
Go stupid. Go crazy.
After putting your payment info in and verifying your payment information, you have to input your tax information. So honestly, I had no idea how to do this, which is why I really did wait like a whole month to set up my Google AdSense. But I followed a video that I found on YouTube on how to do my tax information, and I did it in like 3 minutes. So I will link the video down below so that you guys can follow it. I got y'all with the video, you know what I'm saying? You have your Google AdSense set up, you have your mailing address verified, you have your payment information verified, and you have your tax information input. That is when you can start getting paid. So the next thing that I want to talk about is how do you get paid? So the money that you make each month is from the 1st to the 31st of that month. So the money is then calculated on the 15th of the next month, and you get paid on the 21st through 26th of that month. So normally you'll get paid out on the 21st. You have to meet a minimum $100 threshold in order to get paid. So if you didn't get $100 that month, you will not be paid. And if you do not meet this threshold, it is then just carried into the next month. So for example, with me in April, I made $41. So I did not meet the $100 threshold. So that $41 is added into the money that I made in May. So I received my paycheck with both April's money and May's money combined in the paycheck that I just got on June 21st. So I got the email that I received my first YouTube paycheck on June 21st. At the time that I'm recording this, it is June 22nd. So I literally just received my first YouTube paycheck. So I got this email that said that the money has been deposited into my account. So the same day, June 21st, I checked my account and I didn't see any money deposited, but I looked into Google AdSense and it said that like it deposited it. It said like last payment was on this day. So June 22nd, that is when I actually saw the money in my account. So now is the part of the video that you have all been waiting for. How much was my first YouTube paycheck? And can I get a drum roll, please? My first YouTube paycheck was $312.35. I will screenshot both the money in my account and also what it says in my Google AdSense. So that is how much my first YouTube paycheck was and how much money I have made over the last 2 months. Now I know that $312 for 2 months is very low compared to what a lot of other YouTubers are making with much smaller platforms than me. And I know I'm not making a lot of money compared to other YouTubers with a similar sub count / view range. I'm constantly doing research on how to increase my CPM, which is your cost per mil or cost per 1,000 views. So basically a good CPM is from $7 to like $10. Mine is $2.50 something cents. Mine is very, 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 very low. I don't know why. I've been doing research on how to increase my CPM, how to increase the money that I've been making with Google AdSense, but there aren't a whole lot of videos on it. I watched Catherine Manning's video that she did, which was talking about how much she made at 29K. So as you guys can see, I'm at like 24K right now, so we're kind of in a similar sub count range. On her video, she was making over $3,000 from Google AdSense in 1 month, compared to me making $300 something in 2 months.
Why are you crying?
I don't know. I don't know. But one thing I know is that I haven't been consistent. Consistency, I need to work on that. If you guys do research, or if you find like an article or a video or something talking about increasing your CPM or increasing your Google AdSense revenue, please let me know. Drop it in the comment section down below. But I'm going to share the tips that I have learned with you guys so far for increasing your CPM in the Google AdSense revenue. Certain videos will get you like a higher CPM than others. These videos are finance videos, real estate, stuff about manifestation, law of attraction, and basically stuff about how to make money. Another thing is to post more content / more consistently, because of course more videos equals more money. And when you have a ton of videos on your channel, like 100+ videos, and they're all monetized, you are constantly pulling in money from different videos. So a video that you made 7 years ago can still be bringing you a paycheck each month. Final tip that I learned is to watch your profanity. That's why I cut out the curse words in the intro that I had. So that's why like my intro music has been like kind of choppy, because I cut the curse words out. And the person that did the intro, she's just like, I guess, ignoring me or something, and she doesn't want to change the intro music. So yeah, but anyway, you have to watch your profanity or bleep out curse words, because YouTube transcribes each video that you make. So if you guys have noticed, like, you can press the CC thing. I don't upload any transcripts or captions into my videos. YouTube transcribes it just through its system, so it can pick up what you're saying. Apparently it's been proven that cursing in your videos ultimately lowers your ad revenue. But yeah, so that is how much money I made on YouTube, $312 from Google AdSense. But I have made $2,000 not from Google AdSense, but still from my YouTube platform. I have a video coming soon on ways that I have made money through YouTube without being monetized. So if you have made it to the end of this video, please go ahead and comment hibiscus. If you have made it to the end of this video, please go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below what you want to see next. Subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and don't forget to turn on your post notifications so that you can be notified every time I post a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.